Hey friends, are you unable to make consistent money in your day trading? Do you like to earn a second fiddle income trading? Do you like to become a master day trader? Here are 5 simple steps how you can become a master day trader. Step 1 is to build your mindset, because a positive attitude is always important and a winning mindset is a key to become a champion trader. One needs to come out of a fixed rigid mindset and build a growth mindset wherein one can become a champion trader, thus leading the way to success and earn consistent money, where a mindset is the key. While a step 2 to become a master day trader is to learn to identify the trends, early trends. One needs to understand the price action at trading clusters where the key supply demand zones are placed is the key to become a successful trader. We need to gain an edge. We need to identify the hidden points, and as it is quoted, early bird gets the fish. We need to identify the trends earlier than others to gain an edge in trading, and the application of revamped nested price action techniques is the key to become a master day trader. And the step 3 to become a master day trader is to identify the power day trading patterns. We need to learn the powerful patterns which are high probable patterns and capitalize on it to make consistent money. So basically we need to understand why do patterns occur. Patterns occur because of the fractal nature of the human beings. We are comfortable doing the things what we are repeatedly doing. We are used to it, we are familiar with it. So a repetitive behavior of a human beings leads to formation of a patterns. Thus in all the time frames a fractal nature of patterns occur. If you can identify such kind of a patterns where there are high probable trade setups and execute it in a efficient way, one can become a master day trader. And the step 4 to become a master day trader is to select the stocks or the instrument or a commodity to trade. For that we need to have a stock selection methodology in place, or an index or a commodity selection methodology. For that we need to build scanners, a trading system, because markets are an unstructured environment. To be in a structured environment we need to have a system in place. A systematic approach can help us come out of the undisciplined approach. If you have a disciplined approach and a systematic set of rules wherein you have a defined entry, exit and a stop loss points which can groom you to become a successful trader. Thus, to combine all the 4 steps, first 4 steps, building your mindset, early identification of the trends, capitalizing on the powerful patterns, high probable patterns, and also a scanners and a trading systems as well as screeners to select indices, stock, or a commodity which is trending, because ultimately as it is quoted, trend is your friend. We need to identify the trending instruments to trade. For that we need to build a blueprint of your trading plan. If you can build a blueprint and a structured set of rules wherein you can apply it religiously and follow it in a systematic approach, can make you a better trader than others. It's not that you become the best, but to make yourself better you need to have a systematic approach. You need to set a goal, what you need to achieve realistically, what are the resources available, what is the capital do you have, how you can plan your trading, and what you are aiming at. That part is goal setting, and the major part is, after doing all the blueprint as well as setting your goals, is execution. If you can execute the rules what you have framed in a structured way, you can become a successful trader. As it is quoted, there is a difference between a lip and a sip. You need to walk the talk. Thus, a planning and execution strategy is key to become a master day trader. To learn these 5 steps, act now. Anybody can trade. We at TraderSet have a exclusive elite day traders community where we help you to learn, earn, and prosper together. Once you learn the revamped techniques and build a structural trading plan, we help you execute it in our elite trading room in a live market environment. A theory plus combination of practical approach of how to apply in a real-time markets can help you become a master day trader. This is one of its kind elite workshop which we will get at Traders Hut, and you are going to learn all the key aspects and a live practical sessions with a industry expert who himself is a SEBI registered research analyst and a certified financial technician from IFTA US with more than a decade of experience in researching and trading in financial markets. So what are you waiting for, guys? Do you like to earn consistent money in your trading and become a master day trader? Do you like to earn a second fiddle income? Grab your first video on tradershut.com/opt-in, www.tradershut.com/opt-in. Grab your first video. I'm going to repeat it. And to know more details about the Master Day Trader program, visit us on www.tradershut.com/lp1. Come on, guys, let us unlock the door towards your financial freedom. Learn, earn, and prosper.